time it fills itself back up, I got the commercial pump I can boil it there for many months. I set the nuts and I had it on the phone every month.
Didn't take long, neither did it.
I'll tell you what you can do with that thing. That pump's got that big round about that tall.
Yeah.
You can fill that 5-gallon bucket plumb full. Sit there with your water hose and you can't run enough water in it to
Keep up.
It'll keep your nose up.
By the way, don't worry, I can't see you.
Boat's gonna sit in the wheelbarrow.
Here, Ashley, set that one up.
Let's turn out.
Now there's somebody sitting in it.
We shopped a little bit.
Go get the.
When you break that, I'm not fixing it.
I'm pretty fast. I don't think nothing.
Might want to go get
Kenneth Amberg.
more.
Ken's up there getting some.
Fell off.